This is how to fix a broken Xbox.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Did I fix it?
I think it works. I think it's good.
No more red ring of death, right?
No. I think it's good.
Okay, just making sure.
I think we fixed it.
Hey, look, there's rubber on it. Where's the fucking rest of it going? Is it still going?
Oh, yeah.
Nice. That's a fucking perfect logo. That thing went far. Damn.
God damn. Where's the rest of it?
I don't know. That was funny. Look at funny. I think it's over here.
Oh, yeah.
I got it. This is how to fix the red ring of death.
Gobble, 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 gobble. It's still got a red ring.
There's no more red ring.
Nope, it's all done.